Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we will study a very important concept and very small concept, which is next compound of phosphorus, and it is phosphorus trichloride. In last lecture, we have studied an important information about phosphine, but now we will study phosphorus trichloride and the same important informations about preparation, physical properties and chemical properties of phosphorus trichloride. Okay, so now in this question, first of all, we will start the preparation of phosphorus trichloride. Okay, just see. Now I will give a symbol for PCl3 is Z. Okay, so Z is phosphorus trichloride. So first preparation, phosphorus reacts with dichlorine and gives phosphorus trichloride, means Z. So this is the first preparation of phosphorus trichloride. Very simple. White phosphorus reacts with dichlorine and gives us phosphorus trichloride. The first preparation. The second one, again from phosphorus. So phosphorus reacts with thionyl chloride, gives us Z plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur 1 chloride. Just see, thionyl chloride means SOCl2. All the students, I have given you an important information about this point, that I will write only description of the reaction, and you all have to write the chemical reaction. You have to balance the chemical reaction, because this is the most necessary and important condition in P block. So phosphorus P4, thionyl chloride SOCl2, sulfur dioxide SO2, and sulfur 1 chloride, it is S2Cl2. S2Cl2 is sulfur 1 chloride. So this is the important information about the preparation of phosphorus trichloride. So PCl3, this is preparation. 2 marks question again asked in the board exam, that explain only preparation of PCl3, and we will give this information for PCl3. Okay, now about the physical property. So we will explain physical property of phosphorus trichloride. So phosphorus trichloride is colorless, oily liquid, and it has sp3 hybridization. Okay, colorless, oily liquid having sp3 hybridization. In phosphorus trichloride, central atom phosphorus having 5 unpaired electron and 3 paired electron shared with this chlorine and 1 unpaired electron remaining. This is the structure of PCl3. It has sp3 hybridization. Okay, so this is the physical property of PCl3. Now, the next question is chemical property of phosphorus trichloride. Okay, so Z reacts with water, it forms phosphorus acid. The formula for phosphorus acid is H3PO3. Formula for phosphorus acid is H3PO3. Z plus water gives us phosphorus acid, H3PO3. Phosphorus acid is oxoacids of group 15. What is oxoacids? Well, non-metal oxygen and hydrogen. These three atoms combine with each other, they form oxo acids. Our next question is different type of oxo acids of phosphorus. We will study in our next lecture oxo acids of phosphorus. Okay, so PCl3 and Z reacts with water, it gives us phosphorus acid, and the structure or the formula of phosphorus acid is H3PO3. The structure is here, P double bond O, OH, OH, and this one is H. Okay, the next step is here. This is the chemical property of PCl3. Okay, the next one is here. Z plus acetic acid forms acetyl chloride and phosphorus acid. Acetyl chloride and phosphorus acid is here. When acetic acid CH3COOH reacts with PCl3, gives us acetyl chloride or ethanoyl chloride, means CH3COCl, and phosphorus acid H3PO3 will separate. Again, this third reaction of chemical properties for PCl3 is here. Z plus ethanol gives us ethyl chloride plus again phosphorus acid. So Z plus ethanol C2H5OH chloroethane C2H5Cl will produce, and with this again phosphorus acid will produce. So this is the chemical property of phosphorus trichloride. In today's lecture, dear students, we will study only one question, because the second one is PCl5 and the last one is oxo acids of phosphorus. Okay, so this is PCl3. Again, we will repeat all the points. Let's see. Preparation of PCl3, phosphorus plus dichlorine, phosphorus plus thionyl chloride, SOCl2, SO2 and S2Cl2. Dear students, remind this important point that you all have to balance this chemical reaction. I will not balance the reaction, I will not write the chemical reaction, you all have to write this. Okay, colorless oil liquid having sp3 hybridization. Phosphorus trichloride reaction with water gives us H3PO3. Phosphorus trichloride react with acetic acid forms acetyl chloride and phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid is an oxo acid of group 15. Oxo acid having non-metal, hydrogen and oxygen. This type of acids are known as oxo acid. Even nitrogen having oxo acid like as HNO3. Nitric acid is oxo acids of nitrogen. Okay, then phosphorus trichloride reacts with ethanol, it gives us ethyl chloride and phosphorus acid. So these are the chemical and physical properties and the preparation of phosphorus trichloride. Students, आप सबको ये अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपरेशन कर देनी है. आज के लिए मैं सिर्फ फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड ही पढ़ा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि थोड़ा टाइट शेड्यूल चल रहा है, लगातार पेरेंट्स मिलने आ रहे हैं, मटेरियल के लिए मिलने आ रहे हैं, तो उनको भी मैं टाइम देना चाहता हूँ, आपके बारे में उनसे भी बातें करना चाहता हूँ. इसीलिए थोड़ा आज एक ही क्वेश्चन हम पढ़ेंगे, वो फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड, और अच्छी तरीके से आपको ये रिवीजन कर लेना है ताकि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम इसमें ना आ सके. ठीक है, इसकी इमेज मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगा फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड की किस तरीके से मैं देखनी है, बट आज के लिए हम फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड तक ही हमारी बातें रख रहे हैं. थैंक यू फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर.